Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a robust solution for professionals tackling water damage recovery. This package includes 12 air movers and 2 air scrubbers, making it ideal for any restoration job, whether in residential or commercial spaces. The air movers are impressively powerful, boasting a high-velocity airflow that effectively accelerates the drying process. With 3 different speed settings, users can adjust the airflow based on specific requirements, ensuring optimal efficiency. Their lightweight design allows for easy maneuverability, and the built-in handles provide convenience when transporting between locations. The 360-degree adjustable airflow is another standout feature, enabling targeted drying in hard-to-reach areas, which is essential after extensive water exposure. The 2 air scrubbers included in the package are crucial for maintaining air quality during restoration work. Equipped with HEPA filters, they capture 97% of dust, allergens, and other particulates, ensuring that the air remains clean and safe for both workers and inhabitants. The scrubbers also offer multiple fan speeds, allowing for customization based on the size of the affected area. Durability is another strong point for the Mounto products. Made from high-quality materials, both the air movers and scrubbers are built to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments. The compact design of the air movers facilitates easy stacking for transport and storage, while the scrubbers are user-friendly, with clear indicators for filter replacement. One minor drawback is that while the package is comprehensive, additional scrubbers may be needed for larger spaces, which could increase overall costs. However, considering the performance and versatility offered by this combo package, it represents excellent value for money in the water damage restoration market. In summary, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a reliable investment for anyone in the field. Its combination of powerful air movers and effective air scrubbers makes it a formidable asset in the fight against water damage, ensuring swift recovery and restoration.